you've assembled a team, different temperaments, talents, and convictions.
Yes.
And I believe the diversity of thought
Yes.
is the catalyst for
Yes.
genius and is the secret sauce to build a high-performance team like
So
you're
true.
talking about. What do you think of that? Can you think of an example where you've done that before?
Yeah, so at City Air, we have this maxim. We say, before a decision, maximum input. After a decision, maximum unity. and we call each other on it. What are your ideas? Let's put it all on the table. Like, where are you coming? What do you fear? What are you fearful of? What are you concerned about? What are all these issues? Put them all on the table. Let's fight it out. And then it's like, okay, we just took a decision, maximum unity. Are we going to go out there and defend it together? And if we feel that we can't, okay, let's stay in this room a little bit longer and see what the real issues are. Why can't we do that?
I love that because, that way you're able to bring together the experts in different fields and looking at it from different angles, different backgrounds. As long as you suppress egos and focus them on the mission,
Exactly.
you'll always come up with the best decision, I think.
Exactly. And people want to be heard.
People want to be
It's very
heard.
important. They
right?
deserve to be heard. One of my favorite things to say to folks when we're really trying to make change and really trying to solve problems, I say, if you could wave a magic wand and do this any way you wanted, how would you do it?
Right.
Because what I find is people come to meetings, sort of like the big decisions of what they're trying to do, and they're already thinking about all the constraints in a large organization. Well, I couldn't do it that way, of course. I couldn't do it that way, and we already do all this. But they're not telling you that. But what they're saying is essentially the product of all those constraints in their heads.